Ratio of am and gm of two positive numbers a and b is m is to n. Find a is to b in terms of m and n. So we know arithmetic progression and the arithmetic mean between two numbers a and b can be written as a plus b by 2. And geometric mean, this is the arithmetic mean, and geometric mean can be written as square root of ab. And the question says the ratio of these two numbers means a plus b by 2 is to square root ab is equal to m is to n. So when we write this into ratio, this thing can be written as ratio means a plus b by 2 square root ab is equal to m divided. Can we square this? Can we square and write equation here? Okay, when we square this, we get a plus b whole square. This quantity can be sent right, so it becomes 4ab there, and m square by n. From here I can get equation a plus b is equal to square root of this quantity, which is square root of 4 is 2, and square root ab will be like this only, and m by n. When you have a plus b, we can write an identity to get a minus b, which will be now a minus b whole square can be written as a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So a plus b whole square quantity I have here, this is it, which is 4ab m square by n square minus. So this is the value of a minus b whole square. Taking a square root, okay, I can take common first. A minus b whole square will be 4ab common, and this thing becomes m square by n square minus 1. This will imply, if I take the square root on both sides, a minus b is equal to square root of 4 is 2 and a square root of ab this, and this is also inside square root. So square root m square minus n square by n square. So which can be written m square minus n square by n. So that n I can write here. Simple thing, just write, we take the square root of this quantity. This is equation number 2. From 1 and 2, can we solve these equations for a and b? See, when we add 1 and 2, what do we get? Add 1 and 2. See, b and b will get cancelled because one was a plus b equal to something. One was a plus b is equal to this thing, 2 root ab by m by n. And our equation 2 is this. So when I add these 1 and 2, we get 2 times a. b and b cancel. And 2 square root ab is common in both the equation. So it can be taken common. And there, the first equation is now m by n is left. Here m by n is left, and in the second equation plus square root of m square minus n square by n is left. So we can take that n out. So and 2 and 2, this is multiplication, gets cancelled. So I get a is equal to square root ab divided by n and m plus square root of m square minus n square. Okay, now when we subtract 1 and 2, we can get the value of b. Subtract 1 and 2. So when you subtract, you get 2b is equal to, same thing, in place of plus, it will come minus. So square root ab by n, can directly write. So this is m minus under root of m square. So the question asks the ratio of a's to b. I think there is 2 root ab here, and then 2 get cancelled. So b comes out to be this. So the question is asking a by b is what? Which is very simple. These two quantities will get cancelled and we'll get the value of a was m plus square root m square minus n square, and that's divided by m minus square root of m square minus n square. So that is what asks. You can write it if you wish. A is to b is as, ratio is same as m plus square root of m square minus n square ratio m minus square root of m square minus